Hello everyone, welcome back to our
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, Judy and
Jimmy.
So today we are going to be teaching you guys how to make Larp moo, which is
Larp with pork.
oh my god, it's a LAOS salad.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's get cooking.
Let's go.
Okay, and before we get started, we are actually going to start prepping all of the vegetables. So what we have here is we have half a shallot. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna mince this just like this, nothing too crazy. I'm cutting slow because I did not want to cut myself. I always do. Okay, so we're just gonna set this to the side. Now we're gonna take a handful of cilantro. Now we just cut it like this. And then we're just gonna do what we did with the shallots, and we're just also gonna mince this as well. It doesn't have to be like fully minced, but this will do. All of this is gonna go into the lap. Now we're gonna get our green onions, cut off the white part.
Why is this tail wet?
Again, we're gonna do the same thing. Just gonna mince all this. Okay, all of this in a bowl. Okay, now we're gonna get our mince that we have, and what we're just gonna do is we're just gonna pluck.
Oh my god, I wasn't even recording.
Are you serious?
I'm just kidding, keep going.
Oh my gosh, hon! Don't do that, you scared me. I was like, what? Ah, this guy got jokes.
Pat back, Casey. Pat back.
Kenzie, daddy got jokes, huh?
No? Alright, it's cool.
He said, don't do that to mommy.
What was that? Casey, go check on Stormy, go.
Go check it out, what's Tommy doing? Okay, so here you guys have it. I think this is about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our minced pork that we have here. We're just gonna dump it all into the pot.
Hold on.
And now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cook all this together just like this, as is. So as you guys can see, we're just cooking up the minced pork, and we're just stirring it as it's cooking. And so we'll just let it sit here and just fully cook until we start putting everything together. And we want to make sure everything is cooked as well, because we're gonna actually put everything into the same pot as we're cooking, if that makes sense. Yeah, it does make sense. So as you guys can see, that the ground pork is fully cooked now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn off the stove, and now we're gonna use the same pot, and we're gonna actually start putting all the ingredients all together. So here goes. So here we have 1 tablespoon. I'm actually eyeing this, but here goes. So 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, pepper flakes. We have 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of sugar. We have 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And then we have also 2 tablespoons of, this is roasted, how do you say it? Roasted rice. And then we are just gonna mix this all together. Okay, let that all come together. And then we're gonna get, we're gonna grab our lime, and then we're just gonna squeeze this all in. It already smells so good. The way I'm making it right now, it's very simple and it's very easy. We're using 1 whole lime. I like this to be, when I make lap, I like it to be sour and spicy. Mix that all together. Oh yeah, and I forgot to add badak. And here we're gonna also add badak, which is fermented fish. Like fermented fish sauce. So we're gonna, should be good. And we're gonna try all of this. Oh yeah, one moment. We're actually gonna put in our sliced peppers as well, our Thai chilies. I actually want to try this before I put all my minced veggies inside. So good, guys. Wow. I'm actually gonna add a little bit more fish sauce and pepper for sure, because I like it really spicy. And actually, I think we need another lime. There we go. And I just used a half a lime. I'm gonna mix this all together. Spicy. Yeah, mommy make this spicy. Okay. All together. And try it. Perfect. So now we're gonna add in our greens. We have our green onions. We have our scallions. Oh my god, shallots. Sorry guys. We have our cilantro. I'm gonna mix this all together before I add my mince because I don't want them to be too soggy. I want them to be just like this, intact. So just mix this all together. As you guys can see, everything's all coming together. Look at that. And now I could add my mince. And then we're just gonna mix this all together, guys. You don't want to mix it too hard because you don't want to like smash all the veggies, especially the mince. Okay guys, and there you have it. This is how I make my homemade lap. I hope you guys like. Okay, so here you guys have it. We have our lap moo right here. Yummy. I kind of made it like medium spicy. I didn't put too much spice.
What is it again?
And we also have cauliflower rice.
Yummy.
We're kind of, oh, Kingsley's showing his soup.
Okay, you want to show your soup
So
too?
cute.
Like this, Kingsley, like this.
So we're actually on a keto diet. So usually when you do eat, you can eat if you want anything. Usually if you eat lap, it's usually with like sticky rice, or you can have it with steamed rice as well, like jasmine rice.
What do you want?
So, but that's not what we're having today. We're having cauliflower rice. And on top of that, I'm so mad at myself because I went to the store and I totally forgot to buy like cucumbers and all that side, like the side veggies to like, you know, pick up. But
that would have been good.
Sorry.
It's fine.
I was kind of in a rush to go to work, that's why. So. How is it?
It's good.
With the cauliflower rice?
Mm-hmm.
I really wish we had sticky rice right now.
I know.
Wow.
I think it goes better with sticky rice.
But it's still good.
Not bad.
What are you tasting though?
I still prefer Asian rice.
Of course. What are you tasting?
I taste food.
Like flavor-wise, spicy, sour.
Oh, it's spicy. It's spicy, sour, minty.
Because all the mints, all the vegetables, veggies.
I usually don't like Larp, but this is actually pretty good. Good job, honey.
Thank you. So good. So good.
Good, Kingsley?
It's not too spicy, right?
No.
I didn't make this as spicy.
Good.
I would love to, but he can't handle his spice like I can.
I could. I think this would be good with the dried chili pepper.
Oh, in my mouth.
The red one that you.
I did. I put it in.
Oh.
It's refreshing in your mouth too, with all the vegetables. Especially the mint. I love mint.
It's actually really good.
Oh my god, it's so good, honey.
It is. What happened? Scary. Have you always made it this way? Really?
Because I hardly make lap because you're always like, I don't like lap, I don't like lap. And when I do make it, when I make a dish that he don't like, he's always like, oh, this is actually really good. I actually don't mind it. Right?
Right.
And a lot of people add gizzard in this as well. Gizzard, hearts,
I don't like gizzard.
and all those stuff. But he doesn't like it, so we just keep it original and easy and simple. So I hope this is an easy recipe for you guys to make.
It's actually not bad with this rice either. This is not real rice, right?
It's not rice at all. With vegetables.
Oh, wow. Vegetable, Kingsley? You heard him?
Can you say vegetable? Kingsley's using a lot of words now. He's saying a lot of things, which is awesome. Wait, Kingsley? Kingsley, say hi. Wave hi. Say hi, friends.
Say bye.
Say bye. Say hi, bye. Say friends. Say friends. Friends. Hello. Can you say aloha? Kingsley, say mother, mother. Can you say that? You say mother, mother. กินข้าว Okay, ready? On your chocolate. So we hope that was really easy for you guys to make. I hope you guys enjoyed that little tutorial of how to make lap moo. It's very easy and it's very simple and
Very delicious.
Yes. Ooh, I like when he says that.
It is.
And it's less ingredients that you have to make this
It's
dish.
quick and easy, actually.
Yes. So just give us a thumbs up and comment and let us know how you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So don't forget to subscribe.
And hit the notification bell.
Ding.
Okay,
Bye.